Okay, now I'm going to do C here. So let's go in the B squared minus 4AC, the discriminant. B is 5, so 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 4. All we got to do is check. We don't have to solve it. All we want to do is check how many solutions there are. So 5 squared minus 4, 3, negative 4, 73. So there's two solutions here because there's positive answer. There are two solutions because it's a positive answer. So there are two real solutions. Okay, now we do D. Okay, negative B is negative, B. Let's write it out. B squared minus 4AC. B is negative 12. Don't forget to put that in the bracket. Minus 4 times 9. And we put that in our calculator. So let's see what happens here. So bracket, oops. Here we go. Bracket, negative 12 squared. Don't forget the bracket. Minus 4, bracket 4, bracket 9, 0. Fine, we should have got a 0 somewhere. 0 means there's only one real solution. Okay, so again, one more time, if we go back to the sheet. Okay, two real solutions if it's positive. 0 means only one real solution, and negative means no real solution. Let's go to the next one here. Okay, so now it's not in the right order, so we got to go x squared minus 6x squared plus 11x plus 17 equals 0. And I even put it in order. So look, I put the 6x squared to this side, so it's x squared minus 6x squared plus the 11x, and then the 17 came over and became positive equals 0. So now you got minus 5x squared plus 11x minus 5 plus 17 equals 0. Now we can figure out how many solutions there are. So here we go, b squared minus 4ac. So b is 11 squared minus 4 times negative 5 times 17. I can already see the two negatives make a positive. This is definitely going to be a positive answer. But too much light over there. So let's just put the answer here. So we got 11 squared minus 4 negative 5 and 17. And you get 461. So you got two real solutions. And then the last one here, again, we have to make it equal to 0 here. So you get 2x squared minus 5x, because I brought the 5x. Oh, there's still minus 10x. Minus 8 equals 0. So we brought the minus 5 over. So then you get 2x squared minus 15x minus 8 equals 0. So again, b squared minus 4ac. b is negative 15 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 8. Again, I can tell this is going to have two real solutions because the negative 15 times is positive and the negative is positive. So it's definitely going to be two real solutions. But let's just put on the calculator, see what I get. So we get negative 15 squared minus 4 bracket 2 bracket negative 8. 289, and definitely two real solutions because it's positive. Okay. Two real solutions. Now, I'm going to do A and B for the next one, and I want you guys to do C and D. So it says determine how many times the following intersect the x-axis. So we got these functions. How many times do they cross the x-axis? You know what? I'm noticing that I'll maybe do A and C, and then I'll get you to do B and D because I see that A and C is different. So how many times? So what we do the same thing, b squared minus 4ac. Well, b is negative 8 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 12. And I work that out. Let's work this out here on this. Let's put up maybe a bit higher so you can see. So again, I can see negative 8 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 12, 208. Well, that means it hits the x-axis twice. So this has two x-intercepts. Two x-intercepts. And if it was negative, it would have no x-intercepts. And if it was 0, it would have 1. Okay, I'll do this one here. Well, this one's a little harder because it's not, you don't know what A, B, and C is, so we got to expand it. So let's expand it. X plus 5, x plus 5, and we'll expand. So x times x is x squared plus 5x plus 25 minus 3, and then you get 2 x squared plus 10x plus 25. I'm just doing it quickly because we've done these before. And here you get 2x squared plus 20x plus 50 minus 3. And finally get 2x squared plus 20x plus 47. So I just expanded. I wrote the brackets twice. So there is a shortcut to expand it quicker. Okay, but I did the long way, multiplied by 2. And did that. Now we can check. B squared minus 4ac. And b is 20 squared. Minus 4 times 2 times 47. Okay, let's see what that equals. So we'll bring this up here. So, whoops, 20 squared. 20 squared minus 4 bracket 2 bracket 47. 24. So it's still positive. So this still has two x-intercepts. So this is still positive, still has two x-intercepts. So this has two x-intercepts. Intercepts. Okay, so I would like you to try B and D now. So some pause the video and get them to do B and D. Again, I know two x-intercepts because it's positive. It's negative, then it doesn't have any. So try B and D. So pause and try B and D.